Here's how to quickly set up your own SaaS platform using PromptROI's private label package. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be up and running in no time. Step 1. Register. Go to the registration page and click on the Register Here button located at the bottom. Fill in your first and last name, your best email address, and choose a password. Once you've entered the required information, click Sign Up to proceed. Step 2. Choose your user type. After signing up, you'll be prompted to select your user type. This decision depends on your goals. If you're interested in building your private label prompt marketplace, select Prompt Engineer. If you simply want to purchase prompts, choose Prompt Buyer. For a better understanding of your buyer's experience, it's recommended to create a secondary account as a buyer. Step 3. Profile Setup. To personalize your account, you can upload an image to share with the community and write a description of yourself and how it relates to PromptROI. Additionally, provide your location information and click Next to proceed. Step 4. Connect with Stripe. If you don't already have a Stripe account, sign up for one. It's a quick process that takes less than 5 minutes. Once you're logged into your Stripe account in the same browser, return to PromptROI and click Connect. From the drop-down menu, choose the appropriate account to establish the connection. If you're not logged into Stripe, you'll need to log in and connect before moving forward. Completing this step is essential as it sets up the financial aspect of your business. Note, it's highly recommended to complete this step now to ensure your business is fully functional within a few minutes. Step 5. Choose your plan. Select the professional plan, priced at $99 per month, as it caters to your private label requirements. This plan offers the necessary features and benefits to support your business growth. Step 6. Payment Setup. Provide your payment credentials for your PromptROI subscription. If you're following this tutorial, you can use your credit card information to proceed. Step 7. Connect your domain. To establish your brand presence, it's time to connect your domain name to PromptROI. If you have access to your domain, the process is straightforward. Otherwise, you can follow the provided instructions to share with your tech person. Copy the given IP address and enter your domain name. Before clicking Add, log into your domain manager. In the DNS manager, add an ARR record using @ and set the time to 1 hour. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours for the records to propagate, but most times it's done in just a few minutes. Once completed, click Add in the Add Domain section. You can check your domain in the Settings area after a brief moment. Step 8. Upload your logo. Upload your brand's logo to personalize your marketplace. Once you've uploaded the logo, click Add to save it. Step 9. Choose categories. Select the exact categories you want to use for your marketplace. Don't worry if you need to make changes later. Additional categories can be added in the Settings area. Step 10. Welcome Video Link. Consider adding a welcome video link for buyers who sign up on your marketplace. This provides an excellent opportunity to introduce them to your store and enhance their experience. Step 11. Branding. To ensure your software reflects your brand identity, paste your primary brand color hex code. This will customize the entire software to match your brand's aesthetics. Step 12. Create your first prompt. Congratulations! You're now ready to create your very first prompt. Once you've completed it and published it on your marketplace, your business is officially up and running. Step 13. Expand your collection. Continuously add new prompts to your collection and explore creative ways to engage with your target audience. This ongoing effort will help you grow your business and increase its reach. Before we go, I almost forgot. There's one last step to push your marketplace live onto your domain. Go back to the main dashboard and click on Settings. Then click Domain Management and click Check Domain. Once you see it's connected, click Add Route and you're done. Your private label SaaS marketplace is live online, ready to start bringing in sales. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for following along, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.